Morning, guys. August 1st. And I'm actually gonna, I just picked this guy up yesterday. And thank you, Garrett, for sharing the link with me. Because this is actually my childhood Emerson, exactly how I remember it. Now, obviously, I don't remember what the inside chassis looked like, as I was too young back then. But this is exactly how I remember it. Though I'm pretty sure mine from my childhood had the 20 amp plug, so it's probably 24,000 instead of 18,000. But to be honest with you, I'd actually rather have the 18 anyway. Especially for, like I said, I really don't have a use for it right now. But I feel good knowing that knowing I got an old piece of me back in a way, Let's see if I can get a good shot at that data tag in there. I'll take it off if I can't. 18,000 BTUs, 9.5 amps, 2,200 watts, EER of 8.2, which is not bad. Model number 18HC4E-A. Anyway, I didn't fire it up yet since I got it home, but I do know that it 100% works. And when we fired it up yesterday before I took it home, it built head pressure in probably less than 10 seconds. Tag's a little bit faded, but you can still make out, what it is clear enough. These tags ain't that bad to redo. You can redo them relatively easily. So I'm not really too, worried about that. The chassis. Let me move let's move this case off. But yeah, slim design. I have some old home videos from the 90s that have this. This unit was taken out. My original I'm talking about was taken out probably like 96, 97, and replaced that 90s air temp that you guys seen in some of my older videos. I think I featured it once or twice or showed it. But yeah, that's it. One drain hole, EQK tag on the back. This exact front grill. This exact control panel. Metallic speckled controls. You can't tell me that ain't nice looking. I don't care who you are. Nighttime range, daytime range, energy saver switch, 4 push buttons, off, quiet, normal, and super. I remember the one we had, it must have been the fan motor that took a crap, because quiet and super wouldn't work. You had to keep it on normal. And it probably ran like that for a year or so. I remember my grandma, I'm always saying, you gotta keep it on normal. And I remember finally it just crapped out for good. Apparently some of these models, depending on what year it is, are known for that. And the thing that I gotta point out about this unit is that all the door hinges are still good yet. I'm gonna try not to open it, use it too much. Like I said, I don't really know when I'm gonna use it, because I'm planning on putting my noiseless back in the living room. I have the Feathers and the Admiral out in the garage. So this might be a good candidate for maybe if I ever get that vacation home up in the freaking mountains in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, maybe I'll bring this along. But anyway, I'm going to move the case off of here quick, because I want to get a good look at the compressor and the fan motor before we do anything. I just put that thing there for show, in all honesty. Yeah, it's exactly how I remember it. Now I am going to paint this up because it's faded, but I'm going to do it in the exact brown that it was originally, and I'm not going to go white. Anyway, it's a Tecumseh compressor. Where's that? Oh, here, just from yesterday. It's got the morning dew on it. Yeah, it's got done work. Been playing with electricity all night. Now I'm playing with this. A lot of cap tubes on it. Alright, so looks like an AB. Okay, well, it's definitely a Tecumseh. You can tell by the the coating. So it has an Emerson fan motor, because someone pointed that out yesterday what these first two mean. So it's an Emerson fan motor, Emerson motor for the compressor, which makes sense. Although the fan motor is obviously a GE. Yeah, fan motor's a GE. There's the specifications on it. 1100, 920, and 800 RPMs. 1 amp. Say a 5 microfarad capacitor at 370 volts. Huh, okay. GE fan motors. These have GE fan motors. Probably they crap out like that then. G's good shit. Alright, anyway. So, it's an Emerson motor to run this compressor. These 2 dots apparently means it was made on second shift. This is made by night shift personnel like myself in March 20th of 1981. So this is obviously a 1981 or 1982 model. Not sure what the C means. Forgive me if you told me yesterday. I already forgot if you did. I guess it can run on 60 or 50 hertz. Whatever the hell this V2OG is or whatever. But anyway, enough looking at it. Let's hear it. Oh, hell yeah. As I'm getting a dirt bath. Dirt and rusted metal. Like, God, that sounds amazing. See how much it quieted down? It already built head pressure. That quick. This suction line is cold. Thing needs a good cleaning. It's no through rot, but you know the usual spots with these things is the condenser coils, the bottoms of them. But nothing I can't patch up. Compressor mounts are still in good shape. Doesn't make a lot of vibration, which is a good thing. Rubber mounts are all in good shape. Everything's there. Everything's intact. Compressor's not rotted through like it is on the other 18. That's blowing freaking cold, man. Wow. Probably normal. High or super. That's quiet. Wow. Incredible. You have 3 louvers, each with its own grip. Up and down. Nasty evaporator. Oh, the energy saver already kicked off, so I'm standing in front of it. I'll keep the fan on a little bit longer. Turn it off for a second. That condenser coil is disgusting. Yeah, I do not want to touch that by accident. I like having all 10 of my fingers. Yeah, that is disgusting. Look at that. I'd say easily 3/4 of it's blocked. What a shame. It's amazing it actually still runs. I'm telling you, man, these things are built with such high quality. It's unreal the kind of abuse you can put these old units through and that they still keep putting out. This is a unit like this. This is another one of those ones. I paid $100 for it. The day after I said I was done, again, after saying I was done the last couple of times, but with something like I said, the ones I've been looking for like that, and something with this high of quality, I can't let this freaking thing go. I am going to be downsizing, but there's certain ones I'm never getting rid of. And this is definitely going to be one of the ones I will eventually put to use. I'm just not sure what exactly I'm going to do with it yet. But anyway, I got to try to get this, maybe might have to tweak the thermostat a little bit. Other than that, it seems to run fantastic. And I'm going to pause you for a minute because I want to try to get this compressor to kick back on again. Because I want to get some temp ratings. Yeah, it shouldn't have kicked off. It's in the mid-70s out here already, so, and the sun's shining on it. So let me see what I can do with this. Lucky you guys get to hear this beast start up twice. I did try to clean up a little bit. It's still disgusting looking. Not as bad on the back though. I said it seemed like it made a little bit of a difference, but in any event, here it goes nothing. It's all the noob right that's on it. Sounds like it almost built head pressure. Hey, it's blowing frost out of it. Can you see it? I don't know if you can. That'd be wicked if you could see that, but it is blowing frost out of it. And it's slowing down a little bit. See what kind of temps we're getting. Well, way colder than that, I can guarantee you that. Satisfying temps for sure. Still, yeah, it's getting cold up there. That blows cold, man. Now that's not hitting the coils, that's the temperature that it's actually putting out. Yeah, I'm not aiming at the coils, I'm aiming at the metal in the back of the air discharge. Awesome. Yeah, higher fan speeds put it up 4 degrees, 5 degrees. Nice, super. See, it almost makes about a 10-degree difference, 5-degree difference for each fan speed, you know, approximately. Should start dropping back down again, theoretically. Yep. Just put it back on quiet. roughly 38 degrees out the back. Enough to fog it up. How nice that sounds now that it's full head pressure. It sounds incredible. It's definitely a happy running compressor for sure. See what kind of temps we get out the back. Going nice and warm out the back. Yeah, I got it cleaned up. It's blowing a lot better out the back now that it's cleaned up, but it could still definitely be better. There's still plenty of room for improvement. What kind of temps we getting out the back? It's not running incredibly hot, and that's a good thing. I'd say it's a very healthy sounding unit for sure, I'd say. And it's even temps throughout, so roughly pretty even temp throughout. So I'd say we're definitely dealing with a 100% full charge. Suction line sweating really good, which is what you want. How's the compressor getting? That's about right. Usually about what the compressors get to. There's no way that's only 60 degrees. That thing is freezing. That's literally freezing all the way up to the top. Awesome. It's still blowing frost out the front of it. Can't really see it that good, but I'm gonna grab my other temp gun quick. This thing here is like doing stupid crap. Give me 1 second. Yeah. Both my temp guns seem to be pretty accurate. They're both reading about the same thing. So I'd say temps like this throughout the whole entire evaporator is a pretty damn good indication I have a full charge in this unit. 37. Does anyone have any idea how I can fix my other one? Because I really like that's my original temp gun. I kind of got, a little bit of sentimental value to it. But they both work just as good. So, as long as I got something. Twenty 24 degrees I'm getting out of the 23. That's crazy. See if I can get down to 19 again. Oh, I was gonna get one more temp reading on that anyway, but my freaking compressor just kicked off. So I guess that's the end of the fun for the day, because I'm getting ready for bed.